Just got chased by a pack of lions. Okay, morning guys. So this morning I just quickly want to fix up what I still need to fix for my 2 more holes for a top line. So I'm gonna try and finish that. I'm just coming up to make some coffee. And yeah, that's about it. Let me just take this out. I have an anchor like that, and then this bolt over here, I'm just going to weld in so that I can then tighten this like that. So I'm going to do that. So they just welded that nut onto that. So hopefully this works.
English-speaking people, I just want to tell you that Escher is currently busy drilling a hole by hand in the rock.
Ah, it's like myself.
Just a quick disclaimer. Scenes of
violent language.
Speak as the English, please.
I am very sorry.
Yes.
I'm just complaining about my persistent knocking of the hands with the hammer. Yeah, the mallet.
The mallet, that's right,
yes.
yes.
It's the mallet, yes.
It's the mallet.
Okay, so this is the hole so far. One's done. One's almost there. This one took me a bit longer because I used the thicker drill bit. I'm using this thinner one there. And we estimated about 45 minutes. Busy now. Okay, so there you go. There's me. And then there's the drop. I don't think it shows on the camera, but it's quite a long way down. Okay, so we packed up at the top, came down, because basically what we packed up is because the bolt that kept the drill bit in place broke off in the nut. So I need to get that removed and make another plan, and I also think the drill bit I used doesn't really work as well as the smaller one. But to try and ream it, or to basically small hole and then make it bigger, it didn't work because the chisel point kept actually getting like wedged inside, so I need to make another plan there. But yeah. Okay, so what happened was, when I tried to tighten up the drill bit, the bolt that kept the drill bit in place actually broke off in here. So now, as you can see over there, completely broke off in there. Okay, so this drill bit has actually got grooves along the sides that I can actually like put the nut in, and that helps, it keeps it in place. This one, the 15mm, that's the bigger one that I used, didn't have it, so I just flattened out the one side, and as you can see it actually took quite a bit of damage over there. from moving like this. So I'm going to get myself another drill bit that's similar to this, and then I just have to fix that.
Okay.
That's a baby.
Massaget.